Here's how to install ClickShip on your Lightspeed store. If you don't have a ClickShip account and haven't installed ClickShip yet on your Lightspeed store, then continue watching this video. On the Lightspeed App Store, go to your category under Shipping, and here you'll see ClickShip listed as an app. Once you've selected this and installed your app, you'll be redirected to install this app. Simply enter your username and password for your Lightspeed store and hit enter. You'll see the read and write permissions by ClickShip and click Grant Access. You'll be now on a landing page which highlights key features that will benefit you and your Lightspeed store. For users that don't have a ClickShip account, click on Sign Up and Connect Your Store button. You'll be redirected to the ClickShip Sign Up page, and keep in mind, please stay on this tab in browser as ClickShip has recognized your Lightspeed store for a smoother integration process. Simply fill out the sign up form as normal and verify your account. Once verified, then fill out the remaining questions. And you'll notice once you're on step 3 that the integration process happens automatically. Finally, enter your credit card, and once the onboarding process is complete, your orders and products will automatically sync. The green loading message will signify that it is currently importing your Lightspeed orders and products. And that is the flow of how to install ClickShip app on Lightspeed as a new user. Happy shipping from the ClickShip team.